Are you facing cross-tenant data exposure risk and challenges complying with privacy regulations in your applications? Bold Reports is the best choice to address these challenges effectively. Bold Reports provides a powerful row-level security feature. In this video, I will show you how this feature works in multi-tenant reports. Row-level security, or RLS, helps organizations enforce access control policies, ensuring users can see only the data they are authorized to access. First, I'll demonstrate how to enable row-level security at the database level to secure report data. For this demo, I've already designed this ticket sales analysis report and added it to the report server application. Without row-level security, all the theater managers in our example scenario can view ticket sales data for all shows. By using row-level security, each manager can view only their own theater's ticket sales, ensuring data security. To do this, I open the Users page from the More Options menu and select Theater A. I add an attribute with the name of the show playing there as the value. Similarly, I add an attribute for Theater B with its show's name. Next, I log into the report server application using Theater A's credentials. Open the report and edit the data source. I apply the custom attribute using the appropriate syntax at the bottom of the query and save the changes. I preview the report and it displays ticket sales data only for The Lion King. I publish the report and then log in again using Theater B's credentials. I open the same report and it displays ticket sales data only for Wicked. Implementing row-level security in multi-tenant reports gives you enhanced data isolation. Row-level security ensures that each tenant can only access their own data. This isolation is enforced at the database level, reducing the risk of accidental data leaks or unauthorized access across tenants. Row-level security simplifies your application logic. Instead of writing complex filtering logic in your application code, RLS allows you to define access rules directly at the database level, simplifying development and reducing errors. It also gives you an improved security posture. By enforcing access policies at the database level, row-level security adds an extra layer of security. Even if application-level controls fail, row-level security ensures that unauthorized access to data is blocked. As your platform grows, managing access for hundreds or thousands of tenants is easier with row-level security. You can define scalable policies that automatically apply to new tenants without modifying application code. Row-level security enables centralized management of access rules, making it easier to audit, update, and maintain security policies, especially for compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Manual filtering in application logic can lead to mistakes. Row-level security minimizes this by enforcing consistent access control for all queries. Finally, with row-level security, queries are filtered at the database level, which can improve performance by reducing the volume of data processed and transferred to the application layer. In this video, I have shown you how to secure multi-tenant reports using row-level security in Bold Reports and why you'd want to. To learn more about Bold Reports, visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Report subscription, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial using the Try It Free option. If you prefer a demo from an expert, Request Demo allows you to schedule one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information on Bold Reports.